Right, hopefully you can hear me now, because I've actually got a mic that possibly works. So I've been waiting for this other mic to come, and what I failed to realise was I had two things in my helmet. Two mics. That fucked mic that I was using for the GoPro, and my intercom mic. Now my intercom mic, I only just realised after like a week, can unplug straight out of the intercom and into the GoPro's media mod. So I'm now seeing if it works. If it works on the for the GoPro, which testing it, like plugging it in, tapping it, make sure the media mod little bar goes up for audio, seems to work. Going to meet some friends at a pub, although I don't drink. Just thought it'd be a good opportunity to get out on the bike and test out this microphone. Oh fucking hell, that's harsh. This exhaust is insane. Right, I'm going to shut my visor and see what the mic sounds like with it shut. Hopefully it sounds better. Well, hopefully it don't make a difference, because I prefer riding with my visor up. So hopefully it's not that big of a difference and I can just ride with my visor up and yeah. Right, I'm putting my visor back on. What's this guy doing, man? I thought he was going to run straight into me then. What were you doing? So yeah, now I've got a proper mic, I can start doing proper motovlogs again. Start properly reviewing different bikes. You know, get back to what I used to do, but this time in full swing. Because I plan on making this my full-time job. That is my aim. I really appreciate you guys, especially over this last week. Well, I think it's last 2 weeks I started it, like properly, since I had a camera and what have you. So yeah, over this last week and a half, 2 weeks, my YouTube has shot up by, I think when I was looking at the stats, the views, subs and watch time was all up at the maximum it could be. It just kept saying on all three, plus 999.9% on all of them. You know, which is really good stats, but when you look at it before, like I've been uploading gaming videos and stuff, it's, you know, it's doing really well, but it means my channel was in a terrible state. So one of the things I want to talk about is why I abandoned my gaming channel, or why I've rebranded it into a motovlog channel. It's not something I don't know, it's not something I expected to do. It was something that just happened. And if you actually look back about when those videos for when the gaming content was uploaded, there was big gaps between videos. Now, one of the big things was, I mean, my work. I'm in the military, I go away, and I can't be here to stream, get content, pump out videos, edit. You know, when you're going away for 6 months of the year, every 18 months to 2 years, especially when I have lack of enthusiasm, lack of creativeness, and just lack of effort. I found the gaming videos and the gaming scene to be so saturated with people trying to make it, that your content just gets drowned. But unless you've got something special, like some guy willing to say very bad jokes online, or someone don't mind defaulting their image of who they are as a person, you ain't gonna make it. So I decided to can it in and go back to what I absolutely adored doing, which was motorcycle content. But I'm almost at the pub, so we'll talk more on that later. Whoppa. Can I park there? Hi, ducky, you. They were all just talking then, and then Ruts just turned around and looked at me. They know I'm sexy. They're looking at it going, look at him in those leathers. Lovely, innit? Yeah, when you get one, we'll go for a ride. Right. See you in a bit. See you Thursday. Right, so back what I was talking about beforehand was why I traded in gaming content for motorcycle content. Now the easy answer is I prefer motorcycle content. It fits more with what I want to do in the future, and it doesn't get boring to me. It doesn't fade out, it doesn't fade away. It's something I've always got a constant interest in. And I love everything to do with motorbikes, I always have. Now the longer answer is that the gaming community online, the gaming videos, the gaming content, just gaming in general, especially on YouTube, Twitch, you have a look through and it is so saturated with people trying to make it that it's near on becoming impossible. People are becoming famous for all kinds of shit. I mean, look at people on TikTok like Bevo, HS TikToky or whatever the fuck it's called. Like people like them, I don't know why people watch them. It's just my personal opinion. I'm sure people have the reasons for watching them, or maybe they find them entertaining, or but it always seems to be surrounded by some kind of drama. I prefer my life drama free. I just want to be drama free, doing what I do, enjoying what I do, not having to cause drama and cause issues to stay relevant. So the sole reason I stopped doing gaming was because it was saturated, and it was hard to stay on top of things, stay consistent, and keep with the new flow, keep updated with what's going on. It broke my heart when I had to sell my bike, and I didn't have a bike for 4 years, which is why now the moment I got a bike, we've come straight back into motovlogging, baby. But it wasn't like a decision I previously made. It was something that just happened, I guess. I got a bike and I thought, right, I'm going to start doing motorbike content again. But originally I decided I was going to do it alongside the gaming content. But I'm not going to lie, since I've had the bike, since I've had old Thor here, I've had no interest in gaming whatsoever. I don't just want to do it as a hobby, I want to be able to make a career out of it. Which brings me to my next point, is thanking all you guys for the support you've given me over the past week and a half. It's hard to believe that the growth, the support, the comments, everything I've had in the past week and a half has been phenomenal. I've never seen anything like it to do with one of my pages. It's growing loads and it continues to grow, and I'm hoping that's just going to snowball, because you guys are without you guys there'd be no defib. That's another thing, how you say my name correctly, because I've been in Twitch streams and everyone always says it wrong. It's the real defib. Defib's one word, like defibrillator. Literally the real defib. Hello. Hi, baby.